third year of buying the same planner या फिर शायद fourth, I don't know, but let's unbox it. This is the outer packaging. The quality of this planner is the best. So inside में ना it comes with a mini planner, shiny, love it. A big book of stickers. अगर आपको ऐसे लिखने का या चीजें सजाने का शौक है मेरी तरह, you're gonna love it. Now finally, here's the planner. इसके start में you can write a letter to yourself. I do it every year. This is my last year's letter. See? Then it has these cool graphics, a meal planner for every month, highlights, a monthly habit tracker, and so much more. This planner is just so good. Comment below and tell me if you're using any planner currently and which one do you like the most. With that, I'll see you soon. Bye.